Idibube, you are faithful. You are more than enough, Jesus. No man has ever followed you and made a mistake. No man have ever followed you and be disappointed. Oh, Jesus. That is why I call you the king that dwells among kings. You are the lion of my jungle. No man needs to be compared to you. That is why I'm giving you all the glory, all the honor. Thank you, Elelion. Thank you, the beginning that has no ending. You are the man of war. All the glory must be to the Lord, for He is worthy of my grace. No man on earth should give glory to himself. All the glory must be to the Lord.